This video will show you how to access lecture videos or other content uploaded by your professor to Vocat. The first step is to go to baruch.vocat.io and log in with your Baruch username and password. This is separate from your CUNY first login and your student email address. It's typically your first initial last name. If you don't know your Baruch account information, you can look it up at baruch.cuny.edu/bctc, or by going to the Baruch homepage, clicking the Technology tab, and scrolling down to the Claim Your Accounts link under Student Resources. That will give you your Baruch username and the default password format. If the default password format doesn't work, you can reset the password at mypassword.baruch.cuny.edu or by going to the My Password option in the left side menu of the BCTC homepage. And if you click Reset My Password and you still get an error saying that you have not set up a password reset profile, then you will need to email helpdesk@baruch.cuny.edu to reset your password for your Baruch account. Only BCTC can do this for you. Once you've logged in, you will see a list of your courses on the Vocat homepage, and you can click either the course number or the course title to go in and see the list of projects. If it's a project that you can upload content to, you'll be prompted to add media with this Add Media button. But if it's just a lecture video or something else that your professor has uploaded, you'll see the titles of those projects here. So you can click into any of the projects and you'll see the video that your professor has uploaded under this project media header. So in this instance, the instructor has uploaded a video that they'd like the students to view. And as you click the player, it will play the video back. And anytime you click into the annotation box below the video, it will pause the video automatically. And when you click post, it will automatically continue the video. At any point, you can click on the annotations to jump directly to the point in the video where that annotation happened. If you can see your fellow classmates' annotations, you can click on those annotations as well and jump to those points. And if you'd like, you can also make a comment on the same timestamp as them. So that's how to view and access your course content on Vocat. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to vocat@baruch.cuny.edu for support. Thank you.